exploring Galaxy S24 Ultra cases and concept renders for an exclusive peek into the Galaxy S24 Ultra design. The concept renders for the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra have been brought to life through an exciting collaboration between Technizo Concept and Roda Super. These striking visual representations hint at a design that draws inspiration from the highly acclaimed S23 Ultra, sporting a robust titanium frame with a sleek brushed metal finish. Notable design enhancements include rounded shapes for the buttons and the top part of the S Pen. The device boasts a flat screen display that gracefully curves where the glass meets the metal frame, lending it a premium look and feel. Notably, the S Pen's color harmoniously complements that of the S24 Ultra itself. An interesting departure from previous models is the loudspeaker, which now features a coin slot-like opening, promising improved audio output. Flipping the device over reveals a camera setup to behold, featuring 4 cameras, including one with periscope-style technology for impressive telephoto capabilities. Meanwhile, leaked images of the device cases have surfaced, providing a glimpse of what's to come. Shared by Ice Universe on Weibo, these images hint at a quad-lens camera configuration, with 6 distinct cutouts, where one is expected to house the LED flash, and another is likely for laser autofocus. The camera arrangement closely resembles that of the S23 Ultra, and the positioning of power and volume buttons remains consistent. From a visual standpoint, it appears that the design of the upcoming S24 lineup won't deviate significantly from its predecessor, considering the alignment with leaked renders. While the focus primarily centers on the Ultra model, there is also a glimpse of cases for the standard S24 and S24 Plus, which continue to feature triple-lens cameras and curved corners, retaining their familiar aesthetics. For the base variants, Samsung seems to maintain the design they've embraced for a year, despite expectations of a potential camera block. However, for the S24 Ultra, we might primarily see spec changes, which could bring mixed reactions among enthusiasts. The complete lineup may not promise groundbreaking design changes, but the official launch is expected soon, possibly in January. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this early design language of the upcoming S24 lineup. Please share your insights in the comments section below, and for more updates, stay tuned to our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.